Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadi Education Wali, student of Teacher Training Bootcamp 1 at Rahan College, Korangi campus. Today I am going to present a summary of inspiring TED Talk, The Power of Believing That You Can Improve by Carol Dweck. Carol Dweck is a world-renowned psychologist and professor at Stanford University. She is best known for her research and mindset and how people is believe about their abilities affect their success. Her work has helped students, teachers, parents, and the professionals understand the importance of having a growth mindset. Summary of the TED Talk. Carol Dweck explained the people generally have one of two mindset, a fixed mindset or a growth mindset. A fixed mindset is the belief that intelligence, talent, and ability are fixed and cannot change. People with a fixed mindset often avoid challenges because they fear failure and the belief mistake have a lack of ability. On the other hand, the growth mindset is the belief the abilities can be developed through effort, learning, practice, and passion. Resistance people with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn, improve. One of the most powerful ideas in the talk is the concept of not yet. Carol Dweck explained that when students do not success immediately, it does not mean they have failure. It simply means they have not success yet. This small word encourages learn to keep trying and improving yourself. She emphasizes that mistakes are an important part of the learning. Instead of being discouraged by failure, students gain knowledge and develop new skills. Carol Dweck also discussed the importance of balancing effort rather than intelligence. When teacher and parents learning strategies, students become more willing to take on challenges and continue growing. The talk highlights how a growth mindset helps students become more resilient, confident, and motivated. It teaches them the success comes from the dedication and continuous learning rather than natural talent alone. For teachers, this message is especially important because they have the power of shape student belief about their abilities. By encouraging efforts in the progress, teacher can help students develop confidence and love of learning. This talk, this talk taught me the intelligence and about can grow with effort and practice. I learned that challenges and mistakes are not sign of failure, but opportunities to learn, improve as a student. I also learned the future teacher should encourage students to believe in their potential and the focus of growth rather can. The Carol Dweck's message is that believing you can improve is one of the most powerful factors in achieving success. A growth mindset helps people become obstacles, learn from mistakes, that reach their full potential. Hard work inspired to us replace I can do it with I can't do it. Thank you for listening.